manufacturer and supplier of aluminium profile systems, sectional doors, roller shutter systems, and automation in Eastern and Western Europe. The ALUTECH Group of Companies was founded in 1996. The group comprises 6 manufacturing enterprises and over 25 sales companies. ALUTECH Incorporated produces profiles and components for roller shutter systems. Plant area 25,000 square meters. The aluminium and steel strip coating line is one of the biggest in the CIS countries. Its production capacity is 25,000 tons of coated aluminium strip or 70,000 tons of coated steel strip per year. Twelve automated lines producing roll-formed profiles and the bending equipment permit to produce up to 150 million meters of aluminium roll-formed profiles per year. The ALUTECH Group offers a wide color range. The enterprise uses over 40 production control methods and over 50 testing parameters. The range of roller shutter components produced extends to over 10,000 items. ALUTECH is a high-tech, modern enterprise within the ALUTECH Group of Companies. The plant specializes in the production of aluminium profile systems. To achieve this, ALUTECH has production space of 48,000 square meters, a modern smelting complex which smelts 75,000 tons of aluminium per year. Six press lines for 5, 7 and 9-inch diameter workpieces. ALUTECH includes 2 automated coating lines with a production capacity of over 35,000 tons of aluminium profiles per year. The profiles can be painted in any rail color. The painting in non-standard colors is also possible. 2 anodizing complexes with a capacity of over 10,000 tons of aluminium profiles per year. The product range of ALUTECH comprises over 20 aluminium profile systems. To date, these products have been used on architectural projects in over 1,000 cities in the CIS and the Baltic states. ALUTECH Door Systems is the biggest manufacturing enterprise in the ALUTECH Group of Companies. The plant area is over 50,000 square meters. The commissioning of this modern manufacturing complex allowed raising the production capacities up to 240,000 doors per year. The plant is equipped with a die casting complex to produce end caps for roller shutter systems and components for sectional doors. Two lines producing sandwich panels. The range of their products is over 200 items, different by color, design, and dimensions. The equipment capacity is 4,500,000 meters per year. Coating line for applying non-standard colors to profiles and sandwich panels with a production capacity of 500,000 square meters per year. The line adjustment color change takes only 3 to 4 minutes, which reduces the time taken for non-standard orders. An automated powder coating line for aluminium profiles. The equipment automatically controls temperature and polymerization process. The line capacity is over 1,200,000 square meters per year. The own production complexes permit to control the quality of the products at all stages of the industrial process. Using the technology Take by Light to match the products which is used in the packaging area improves the quality and the speed of order processing.